So here we go with the third starter to go with this section on chapter 7.4, and this is the one which we've been just trying to make some progress with. So we've got a cliff. We don't know how high the cliff is this time. We're going to take the top of the cliff as the origin, and we're going to take a particle projected at 30 degrees to the horizontal with a speed of 15 meters per second. And we're told it enters the water below, enters water when travelling perpendicular to the original direction of motion. Find the height of the cliff. So it's going to be doing this, and then down here, the direction of motion is perpendicular to the initial direction of motion. Let's just rub that out. So you have a go. So that's 15, and that is 30 degrees. If it's perpendicular, that must be 60 degrees. And we've done lots of practice on these, so we know that the horizontal speed is constant. So this bit here for both is the same, and then the vertical bits are obviously different. So here it's opposite, so we've got 15 sine of 30, and here we've got V sine of 60. And horizontally, here we've got 15 cos of 30, and for the speed when it enters the water, we've got V cos of 60. So if we consider the horizontal speed, consider the horizontal speed, 15 cos of 30 must equal V cos of 60, because there's no horizontal acceleration. So V is equal to 15 cos of 30 over cos of 60. Cos of 30 we know is root 3 over 2. Cos of 60 is a half, so this is equal to 15 root 3 meters per second as the horizontal speed. Now we want the height of the cliff. So let's consider vertical motion. We'll take positive as up. So U is equal to 15 sine of 30. A is equal to minus G as it's acting downwards. We know the speed downwards when it enters the water. It's going to be negative because it's going down. V, which is 15 root 3 sine of 60. And we want S, the height of the cliff. Well, we can call that H, can't we? So what equation are we going to use? We're going to use V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. Let's substitute in. So negative 15 root 3 sine of 60. Sine of 60 is root 3 over 2 all squared equals U squared, which is 15 sine 30, sine of 30 is a half, so 15 over 2 squared minus 2G h. They're negative because the acceleration is negative. So h, 2gh, let's write it in the order I've said it. 2gh, adding that across, is equal to 225 over 4, that's 15 over 2 squared, minus 15 times 3 over 2 squared, which is equal to 225 over 4 minus 9 times 225 over 4, squaring that out. So that's 1 lot of 225 over 4 minus 9 lots of 225 over 4 is minus 8 lots of 225 over 4. Divide by the 2g, so h equals minus 8 times 225 over 4 times 2g. Quite pleased to see a negative, as it's going to be below the level it was projected from. The 4 times 2 cancel with the 8, so we've got minus 225 over g. It's going to come out to be, well, roughly 22, 23. Let's tap it in the calculator and we get minus 23 metres. Negative 23 metres.